Now that we have discussed the structure of smart contract and the complete flow to build and deploy it, let's start with the state variables first. The state variables are those variables whose values are permanently stored in the smart contract storage, and that's why it will cost us gas. So to optimize the gas fees, one should always consider using state variables wisely. State variables can be of any type like address, integer, mapping, struct, or even boolean, etc. The main thing is state variables cannot be declared twice. Like if you have declared integer a, then you cannot redeclare it again. Let's understand this with an example. So open remix and the test.sol file which we have created earlier. Now here the basic structure of smart contract is already present. So let's start by declaring an integer a. So this is the way you declare the state variable. You can declare any type of variable like string, boolean, etc. Now let's compile and deploy this smart contract. After deploying, you can see we have no button to access this variable, since by default the variables cannot be accessed outside the smart contract if visibility is not specified. We will see what is visibility in later part of this course, but for now let's declare this variable as public and deploy the smart contract again. Now you can see there is a button to access this variable. And in Solidity, there is no concept such as undefined or null. For each data type, the default value is set already, and if not assigned, the default value is used. For integers, here you can see we are getting 0 by default since we have not assigned the value. Now in order to assign the value, you cannot do like this. In Solidity, you should either declare the variable value at the same line, or you can use the constructor to set the values at the time of contract deployment. The third way is to define a function and then assign the value to the variable. Let's define a function setter, and in the function, let's increment the value by 1. Or let's say we can accept the argument in the function itself and assign it to the variable. So that was all about the state variables in the Solidity. In the next tutorial we will discuss about the local variables.